umkhanyo obona uzombeleza mzimkhulu wezokurhatsha we-SABC e-Auckland Park nami ngikhuluma njengilapho nanzi ezijujileko.
The Global Outlook Council will serve as the world's premier high-level political and investment platform on water.
Umengameli uRamaphosa ukhombela abasisi bona basilalele isibawo sokuthi basise endabeni yokuhlogeka kwamanzi. Umbango ecatshangelwa bona ngewomagenge utshe amadoda amane abulewe namhlanje ekuseni eMusenberg eKapa.
The NEC resolved to reset the GNU.
I don't believe that expanding the GNU is going to assist the GNU to go forward.
Inhlangano ezingaphakathi nezingaphandle kwe-GNU ziyayilandula yokuyikhulisa. Zihlelwe litafula lendaba zesiNdebele ziza kuwezisatshisa ku-SABC1 hlalela eduze ungaziwa ngobatsho ngikuthulani bo. Ikhansela lendawo ezifaka hlangana isiwindi ne-Overcome Heights eMusenberg eKapa lizwakalise ukuthonyeka ngokwanda kobulelesi bamagenge. Lokhu kulandela ukudunyuzwa kubulawa amadoda amane namhlanje ekuseni. Iphiko elilwisana nobulelesi bamagenge liyaphenya ngesehlakalwesi pheze bama-25 abantu ababulewe ngokudunyuzwa eKapa enyangeni ezimbili ezidluleko.
Amapolisa athi kutholakele indumbu zamadoda amane aphakathi kweminyaka ema-20 ukuya ema-37 obudala zilahlwe emitlhatlhaneni ye-Overcome Heights namhlanje nakusako. Abofokisi abajeje indaba zamagenge baragela phambili nokuphenya mayelana nendaba le. Indumbezi zitholakele emaduzana kodwana emitlhatlhaneni ehlukeneko. Izakhamuzi akhenge zivume ukukhuluma ne-SABC ngombana zisabela impilo yazo. Nanyana kunjalo ikhansela lewadi lithi batsho izehlakalwezi sele imalanga zithuwelela. Ndambama nje iphenyo bese lenziwe kanti indumbu zisusiwe endaweni yesehlakalo. Uma uthi iphiko elijeje indaba zamagenge kulindeleke ukuthi liphenye beliphenyisise endaweni leya. Amaphiko womthetho ahlukahlukeneko edorobheni leKapa nawo kulindeleke ukuthi abekwe endaweni leya. Ibutho lamapolisa libawa nanyana ngubani ongaba nelwazi elingasiza ephenyweni ukuthi avele ngaphambili. Bathi umuntu akakazi ukuvezwa igama lakhe begodu yonke imininingwana azokunikela ngayo izokusetshenziswa njengefihlakeleko.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ukuthuthukiswa komthangalasisekelo wamanzi angabe yinto ecatshangelwa muva kodwa kufuze kube yicalondanzi. Umengameli ube isikhulumi esikhulu embizweni yamalanga amathathu yezamanzi ebanjelwe eKapa.
Iproject ebeyisoli ragwe iminyaka elithoba yonke. Mva nje abaholi beAfrika sebathoma ukubona imiphumela emihle yokuqalana nomraro wemthangalasisekelo yamanzi. Umengameli Ramaphosa wethula iGlobal Outlook Council ekumkhandlo zokuba phezulu obeka ilihlo kezamanzi ulandelela ituthuko ulawula imali begodwa ukhupha umbiko qobe iminyaka malungana nokusisa emahlelweni wamanzi.
Now the Global Outlook Council and the Global Water Investment Platform will serve as the world's premier high-level political and investment platform on water.
Funisela ukuthi ilizwekazi Afrika ihlayela ngemali yokusisa $30 billion qobe iminyaka bekube ngo-2030 nayiza kuba namanzi ahlwengileko okusela ngo-2030. Lokhu kunjengoba nabahlali beAfrika abazingidi ezine banganawo amanzi ahlanzekileko okusela begodwa phezu kwalapho abazingidi ezilikhomba abanazo insetshenziswa ezifaneleko zokuthutha insila.
It will track progress, unlock finance, report annually and align efforts across the G20, the UN, multilateral development banks and the private sector.
I-African Development Bank ithi izokurhabisa ukusekela ngemali eminyakeni ezako kanti i-AU Development Agency ethina kusikhwama semali seyisivulile nebhanka ephasi ivulela amazwe eAfrika.
Ihlangano yepolitiki i-African Christian Democratic Party, ACDP, imangalele umasipalata weMbombela ngokudunga imithombo yamanzi eWhite River eMpumalanga. Isuriji ehleleza endleleni nangaphakathi kwemthangalasisekelo ekhambisa amanzi bengene ngaphakathi komlambo iWhite River. Isuriji ehleleza kole ibangwa yiplanti kamasipalata ehlwengisa amanzi adungekileko engasebenzi ngokupheleleko.
Isuriji ehleleza ngaphakathi kwemthangalasisekelo yamanzi eWhite River idunga amanzi ekufanele asetshenziswe balimi emphakathini. Amanzi la sele ajuguluke nombala abanzima thu. Kandanjalo nje ayanuka.
The contractor that was appointed in 2023 and that was paid 17 million to upgrade the White River wastewater treatment plant ran away.
Umasipalata weMbombela uphikile ukuthi ubhadele usokontraka imali engange 17 million yamaranda.
He was appointed for 17 million, of which only 9 million was paid. Material was bought, but he ran into his own financial troubles and ceded the project. We are now bringing a new contractor.
Umraro wamanzi lo uletha ukuthwenyeka okukhulu kubalimi.
Well, at the moment we can't use the water at all. It's totally, you can't consume it, you can't feed it to your animals. I don't even think you should be putting it on crops. And that's got a knock-on effect.
I-SADP ivulelo masipalata lo icala kanti ithwenyeke ngokuthi amanzi adungekileko la azokubanga amagulo atholakala ngaphakathi kwamanzi.
The case has been registered at the White River police station and it would be transferred to the Eco-Scorpions for them to further investigate.
Umasipalata lo uthembise ukusebenzisana nabaphenyako nabasathweswe icaleli.
Nasesaphethe zamanzi, iYunivesithi yeMpumalanga ithumbe iphaliswano le-Enactus ebelibanjwe eSandton Convention Center eJohannesburg, lapho amayunivesithi ethula khona amabhizinisi ehloswe ngawo ukuradulula imiraro ilizwe leli elicalene nayo, efaka hlangana ukuxokeka kwemisebenzi nendabamraro yamanzi. Iyunivesithi le engenqani kiwo wonke amayunivesithi bekaphalisana kileli phaliswano iyokujamela iSouth Africa iphaliswaneni lebhigiri yephasi elokubanjelwa eBangkok eThailand.
The trophy is going to the place where the sun comes up, University of Mpumalanga.
Qobe mnyaka ama-university abosomabhizinisi nabanye ababelana bavele eSouth Africa zombelele bahlangana eSandton Convention Center ukubona amajuguluko alethwako ukuzithomela amabhizinisi nokusebenzisana ukwakha iSouth Africa engcono ephaliswaneni le-Enactus. Ama-university abunane ethula amabhizinisi awo ekuhlose ngawo ingasi ukwenza inzuzo kwaphela kodwana ukurarulula imiraro iSouth Africa iqalene nayo ekufaka hlangana umraro wokulahla kwenzibi zemayini emlanjeni lapha umphakathi uthola khona amanzi.
We observed and understood that 1, there is a deep concern over water safety and an absence of early warning systems for mine compliance, and 2, that where mining businesses flourish, communities struggle daily to get access to clean and safe water.
Lokhu ke ngikho kanye kusukumisa isiqhema sabafundi beYunivesithi yeMpumalanga ukuthi bathoma ibhizinisi yokuqinisekisa ukuhlengeka nokuphepha kwamanzi iCSK Aqua Device. iYunivesithi le ithumba iphaliswano elingombana yethule ibhizinisi erarulula umraro iphasi lokho eliqalene nawo ingasi eSouth Africa kwaphela.
We worked tirelessly to develop a solution that would make impact on water safety in Mpumalanga, a province that is still heavily reliant on fresh water sources for day-to-day living, and as well as a province that has quite the high unemployment rate and people who are jobless and unemployed.
Umphathi we-Enactus eSouth Africa uLetisha Tivet uthi lokhu kukhuthaza abafundi ukuthi babe namakhono funda wokuza nenisombululo ezirarulula imiraro ilizwe liqalene nayo bebazithomela amabhizinisi.
I believe we'll see more students stepping up, especially from underrepresented areas, knowing they have a platform to lead change and succeed on global stages while building their own business. These ventures generate income, foster job creation and strengthen civic responsibility in a country with high youth unemployment.
Nakusenjalo iVice Chancellor University le uProfessor Thoko Mayekiso unikele unongorwana we-Enactus South Africa Champion Award ngokuba mdosi phambili okhamba phambili nokuzinikela ekuphumeleliseni iminqopho ye-Enactus. uProfessor Mayekiso uthi abafundi aba baphaphisele iflaga ye-University le phezulu. Uthi ukuthumba kwabo kukhuthaza wonke umuntu begodu kubeka i-University le ezingeni eliphezulu. I-University yeMpumalanga ithumba bonongorwana bama-49 solo yathoma ukuzibandakanya ephaliswaneni ngo-2017 kanti ephaliswaneni lanonyaka ilandelwe yi-University yeWits ebujameni besibili, ebujameni besithathu kwaba yi-University yeKapa, ubujamo besine bathathwa yi-Nelson Mandela University. I-University yeMpumalanga iyokubanga ibhigiri yephasi namanye ama-university avela emazweni ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo eBangkok eThailand kuKhukhulamungu umnyaka lo.
In the dawn of new possibilities, we rise with it from the place of the rising sun, Mpumalanga.
Ngingunontokozo Sikhosana wendaba ze-SABC ngikubekela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibawa umbono ngenkulumo kaMengameli ukuthi abasisi baqalelele nehlangothi lokusisa kezamanzi. Asizwe umbono wakho.
Ikhona fanele basise khudlwana endabeni yamanzi mara bangajabuli namkha bathi no i-opportunity erehe ukuthi sizokuthola imali.
Silila ngayo ku-9 province yonke ubereke khulu ecabangeleni abantu beSouth Africa.
Asithemba ukuthi ekugcineni uyovela phela umsamali olungile akwazi ukusiza kule ndaba ukuthi baxazulule inkinga yamanzi.
Sibaba bereke ngokuzikhandla ukuze kutholakale isisombululo sokuhlogeka kwamanzi.
Uhulumeni lelizwe limehlule kancane udabeni othinta amanzi. Nguyena mina bengizohoxa lelizwe ke liphathwa abanye.
Mara ke abafaka imali leyo la kufaneleko vele isebenze lapha emanzini isebenzele isishaba ngokweqiniso.
Make kuzanywe ngandlela zonke kuba amanzi abe khona ezindaweni ngakumbi apha eEastern Cape siwasokola kakhulu amanzi emsasazi.
Yonke indawo amanzi ayinkinga ngalendlela.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Amahlelo we-ANC wokukhulisa i-GNU ahlatshwe kumbi zinhlangano ezinye ezingaphakathi nezingaphandle kwayo. Abanye basola i-ANC ngokungabonisani nezinye inhlangano ezingaphakathi kwe-GNU ngesicundo abathi batsho sihloka bona kuvume zonke inhlangano. Kani laba abangaphandle babeke imbandela ethileko nangabe kufuze bangene nabohulumende obumbano.
The NEC resolved to reset the GNU and mandated the officials to engage with current GNU partners to broaden participation, strengthen the functioning of the GNU and give full effect to the statement of intent.
Ngiso kanye isiqundu esisekomite ekulu ye-ANC NEC esidose imibono ehlukahlukeneko enhlanganweni ezinye ezingaphandle nezingaphakathi kwe-GNU. Enye yenhlangano ezikulu ezingaphakathi kwe-GNU ngaphandle kwe-ANC icabanga ukuthi kufanele kusetshenzwe ngamandla ukuqinisa ubudlelwano phakathi kwenhlangano ezilithumi kunokuthi kuyokufunwa ezinye godu inhlangano eziningi.
I don't believe that expanding the GNU is going to assist the GNU to go forward. I think it's going to complicate things even further. We already have 10 parties in the GNU. It's one of the largest coalitions in the world.
IFF Plus ilila ngokuthi akhenge kukhulunyiswane nayo ngendaba yokukhuliswa kwe-GNU kanti ithi kunefuneko yokuvumelana kwenhlangano zonke ezingaphakathi ukuthi kube nezinye inhlangano ezingenako.
I am appealing to the ANC and the other parties is let's sit down, let's use the mechanisms in the government of national unity to really take South Africa forward.
Ihlangano ephikisa ngokomthetho ikholwa bona indaba yokukhuliswa kwe-GNU seyindlela ye-ANC eyisebenzisela ukuthusela nokuphatha i-DA.
They wouldn't have the liver to engage MK because they know very well what the response would be. So more than anything else, it's just a gimmick, it's a scare tactic to scare the DA and to try and manage them from the kind of pressure that the DA has been giving the ANC.
Nakusenjalo i-EFF ijamile emagameni nayo wokuthi akuqothwe i-DA ne-FF Plus kuza kuthi ngemva kwalokho ke yona ingene.
The DA to decide whether they want to walk out of the GNU or not. But our stance is very clear. We can't go into coalition with the DA.
I-Action SA nayo eyakhe yabhala ukwamukela isimemo se-ANC ijamile emagameni nayo.
In the event, for whatever reason, that the GNU collapses, and you need to talk to us because we can help you get to the numbers to govern. But as long as you are not really prepared to really have a proper coalition arrangement upfront, please don't waste your time and our time.
Nakusenjalo ibhosa itbatsho yona iza kungena ku-GNU kwaphela nange i-GNU ingachugulula indlela yokwenza umnotho welizwe li.
our position remains clear that we will only consider joining a national government that is serious about bold reforms to grow the economy, to create jobs, to fix education, and keep our citizens safe from crime.
Kulindeleke ukuthi iANC ikhulumisana nenhlangano zonke ukwenzela ukuhlola umbono wayo wokukhulisa iGNU.
Nasibuya entolo.
Is alleged to have stabbed male friend as well as dismembered his body.
Abantu beemelo eMpumalanga bakhuza bayababaza ngesehlakalo sokuthi udade abulale isokana lakhe ngesihlungu bamkhetha asafuna ukucima ubufakazi. Ubukela indaba zesindebele ku SABC1 tshela nabanye ukuthi nazikuphundileko abangene ku YouTube, SABC Plus, X na ku Facebook. Nambasikhambe. Bukeli siboba nenhliziyo ezibuthakathaka bona bangayibukeli nasindaba elandelako. Izakhamuzi zeemelo eMpumalanga zisathukiwe nanje ngemva kokufunyanwa kwendoda iminyaka ema-37 ubudala ibulewe isihlungu. Kuzokala bona uSibusiso Maseko ulwe nentombakhe yagcina imbulele nakusakuba ngosonto. Ilunga lomphakathi ngilo elihlabe umkhosi. Lokhu udade loyo sekalinga ukutshisa isidumbu sendoda le.
She must feel the pain that my brother felt.
Ngokuya ngephenyo laphambi kwesikhathi, umsolo weminyaka ema-33 ubudala urarene nesokana lakhe. Batsho babanga ukuthi umufi bekafuna ukuphuma ayokubetshwa umoya nabangani bakhe. Batsho udade lo umhlabe ngomukhwa amahlandla ambalwa nakasuka lapho wabamcwiya walinga ukutshisa isidumbu sakhe.
33-year-old female who is arrested currently is alleged to have stabbed male friend as well as dismembered his body and then torched some of body parts and put them in different bags, including a maize meal bag as well as a plastic bag.
Abomakhelwana bathi vele udade lo unepehla bebahlala abasilo nesokana lakhe.
Isithusile njengomuntu esimazi kakhulu kodwa ke engikwaziyo nje okungenza ngathuka kakhulu akusikudala kakhulu bekalwene enye i-ex-boyfriend yakhe. So ithe masizwa lesigameko lesi kwafanana nalokho okusanda kwenzeka.
Impumalanga Men's Movement ikhombela amadoda ukuthi akhulume nakakhathunizwa ko.
Siyawatshela amadoda ukuthi awangathuli awakhulume ngoba siyazi ukuthi nawo ayahlukumezeka. Kodwa ke isizathu lokuthi kungaziwa ukuthi amadoda awakhulumi. Lezi zinto lezi ezenzeka emadodeni zigcina sezigqisheleka la enqondweni.
Umsolo ulindele ukuvela ngaphambi kwekhotho kaMagistrate weEmelo kusasa.
Umeyara weJohannesburg uTata Morero uthwaye umnyaka wakhe wokuthoma eofisini ngokuveza ituthuko nentshijilo aqalene nazo. Ubekhuluma nephiko lendaba ze-SABC ngezinto ezikulu azenzileko ekubalwa ukuceda imigodi endleleni.
In this financial year, we were able to put some money in terms of our pipe replacement program. Secondly, we are refurbishing 25 reservoirs, water reservoirs, which are in a very bad state. You know, some of them are more than 50 years old. They've been damaged. They need to be refurbished. We are also commissioning new that we're almost completing.
Iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu.
Silotshisile ekhaya napho ubujamo bezulu ngendlela bungakhona. Sibona lapha amathuba wezulu nge-60% ehlagwini yesifunda sangapha ngeMpumalanga Kapa kuthi kezinye indawo njengoba ubona nje nalapha eBloemfontein litholakale nge-30% kusasa. Amathuba wezulu nge-30% pheze maphakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa. Ukuchinga lapha egwini elingeMpumalanga Kapa kanti ke sibona nekungu yinehle abantu ekseni bacheje bayelele nabachayelako. Sibone lapha ke isilemukiso endaweni zange-Northern Cape sokuthi ngaba nemililo yemango abantu bacheje kileza ndawo amazinga okuchisa. Sithome lapha esifundeni sange-Gauteng sibonakala ke sipholile ekseni kumakhaza kuhle kuhle ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ke kuyafuthumala lapha ke Bronkhortspruit kupholile nge-23 Pitori nge-24 lapha ke ipholile ifuthumele iLimpopo ibonakala ichisa ke yona ke lapha ePhalaburwa kuthi ke ezinye indawo eziningi kufuthumele kodwa nebusuku nekuseni nakhona ke kumakhaza nangesifundeni sangale ngeMpumalanga kuba makhaza ngokuhla nangokusa kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda siyafuthumala lapha ke sikhukhuza siyachisa nge-32 KwaZulu Natal leya sicaleko ngalesi sikhathi kumakhaza ebusuku nekuseni ngemva kwamadina sibonakala isifunda sifuthumala kulapha eDurban la kuphole khona nge-23 siyalapha ke eMpumalanga Kapa endaweni eziningi kupholile hle kodwa nebusuku nekuseni nakhona ke kumakhaza kusemthatha la kufuthumele nge-24 siyalapha ke eTjingalanga Kapa isifunda sonke kumakhaza ebusuku nekuseni nemini yonke yenibathe nifuthumele ngaleke nge-Northern Cape kubonakala ke nakhona ke kupholile ngemva kwamadina lapha ke endaweni ezifana neSpringbok eCalvin neSutherland kumakhaza imini yonke Kimberley ifuthumele nge-26 ngemva kwamadina iFreystata efuthumeleko ngemva kwamadina kodwa nebusuku nekuseni nakhona yenibathe nifuthumele kumakhaza kokugcina siyalapha ke eNorth West ebusuku nangokuhlwa kumakhaza kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi kuyaphola kezinye indawo kufuthumele Dido